Hello students, Bhabha Atomic Research Center has released the notification for recruitment of scientific officers through the training programs that it offers. So let us have a quick overview of the notification in order to understand it better. Now Bhabha Atomic Research Center, or BARC or BARC as we commonly call it, offers two training programs. The first one is the orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates, and the other one is the Department of Atomic Energy Graduate Fellowship Scheme for engineering graduates and physics postgraduates. After successful completion of either of these training programs, you can be employed as Scientific Officer C in any one of the units of Department of Atomic Energy that comes under BARC. So it is not a direct recruitment. You have to enroll for either of these training courses that are offered by BARC, and once you have successfully completed them, only then will you be recruited as a scientific officer. So let us understand a little bit more about the training programs that it offers. Now the first training is this 1 year orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates, which will be conducted at any of the BARC training schools, and a trainee scientific officer who scores at least 50%, scores a minimum of 50% at the completion of the training program, will be recruited as a Group A gazetted officer. The second is a 2-year fellowship program, that is a 2-year DAE graduate fellowship scheme for engineering graduates and physics postgraduates, wherein students who have excelled in the selection interview and who have also secured admission for MTech or M Chemical Engineering in select institutes, the institutes have been mentioned like the various IITs and so on, will be eligible for recruitment. So these students also have to do a 1-year coursework at the institute, and then they have to undertake project work which will be assigned by the Department of Atomic Energy, and on completion of the MTech that they have enrolled for independently, they will be recruited as Group A gazetted officers. So these are the two training programs that BARC is offering, and during this training program you will be eligible to receive a stipend of rupees 55,000 per month. So now the question comes as to how can you be eligible for the training programs. For that you have two options. The first one is the online examination that will be conducted by BARC itself, right, and it will be conducted approximately in April 2022. We will come to the exact dates a bit later. And the second is on the basis of your GATE score. So which GATE exam scores are eligible? GATE 2021 or GATE 2022, not beyond that, right? So either GATE 2021 score or on the basis of GATE 2022 score. The final selection will be on the basis of your performance in the selection interview, subject to medical fitness of course, and all those who obtain admission in the applicable MTech programs will of course have to provide details of their admission by the 3rd week of August 2022. Now who all are eligible to sit for the online examination? Those who have completed their BE, BTech or BSc in engineering or a 5-year integrated MTech with a minimum of 60% aggregate marks. Also, you must have a valid GATE scorecard, that is of 2021 or 2022 in the same engineering discipline as the qualifying degree discipline. So whatever is your qualifying degree, you should have a GATE scorecard of that same degree. Now they have also mentioned the branches which are not eligible. So look out whether your branch is mentioned here or not. So for example, you have information technology, MCA, chemical and electrochemical engineering, petrochemicals, power engineering, information science engineering and so on. So these are all the branches which are not eligible. The age limit for general candidates is 26 years, for OBC 29 years, and for SC/ST it is 31 years. All those who are already employed either in central government or state government or any PSU have to provide a no objection certificate from their organization at the time of the interview. The application fee is 500 rupees. Women candidates, SC/ST candidates, and all of those are exempted from the application fee. Now, all those candidates who are graduating in the academic year 21-22, right? However, you have not received your final mark sheets or are awaiting final results for whatever reason, are eligible to apply for these courses, provided that you will be able to submit your final mark sheet. So remember, your graduation year is supposed to be 21-22. Now these are the important dates to remember. The online application process started on the 17th January, that is yesterday, and the last date for submission of online application is 12th of February, and for registration it is 11th Feb, right? So you need to do your registration last date before 11th of February. The online examination will be held from 7th April to 13th April, and you can expect the declaration of the final selected candidates by the second week of September 2022. In order to go ahead with the application process, you need to go to the website of Bhabha Atomic Research Center. The link will be in the description box. Choose engineering, and after that you can read all important information in this particular tab. So you have details about the selection process, the important dates, as well as the syllabus pattern of the online examination. So go through each and every point carefully. You can also click on this information brochure, which will take you to this brochure that we just covered, right? So we just went through this, and this is also something that you can go through. For applying, you need to click on apply online. Here you can read the application fees, etc., how to go ahead with the entire application process. Once you are done reading, click on this checkbox here. There is a checkbox here which says that I have read and understood the information on the information brochure, which of course, as I said, you must read. And after that, this is the page that will open, wherein you need to do your preliminary registration, fill in all the details. Remember, the last date for this registration is 11th of February 2022. So here was a brief overview of the recruitment process by BARC for the position of their scientific officers. Remember, you can apply either through their online examination that will be conducted by BARC itself, or on the basis of your GATE 2021 or GATE 2022 scorecard. So don't waste time, grab this opportunity. The link is in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.